Now I'm going to duplicate that. I want to rotate this. Hold down the J key. Once I have one done, I could just duplicate everything. Let's say it goes through it like this. I want this angle. So before I rotate, I'm going to move the pivot point to D key. Move it down here. Increase its size. And now I'll rotate it. I move the pivot point, so when it rotates, it's rotating around that center axis over there. So something like this. This will be some type of paint. So I'm going to assign new material, AI standard. And let me pick a cyan color. I need my mechanical space to be more like this. Let me make this a little longer even. Let me put some type of box or other model in here to make it a little more interesting later. I'm going to clone this, hold down the Shift key and just clone it. Make it a little skinnier by scaling it down, and then longer by scaling it up. Selecting both of these. Got 3 of them now. Yes, I do. I'm going to delete one. I'm selecting this one and this one, Shift clicking, and I'm going to clone both of them onto the other side. I want to make it thicker so it looks more sturdy, but I'm thinking it'd be more dramatic if I would continue with this very thin, like everything that holds together the bike would be thin, and just the wheels and the engine are the heavy objects. Since this is my own design, let's see how we'll bring these two together. If I turn off symmetry under modeling, no more symmetry, and select the vertices here, I can pull them over, bend them like this. If I want a smoother bend, B key. Thinking of bending it more like this. So I selected those 4 and clears the wheel. I like that shape. I could either duplicate this and rotate it, or I'll just eyeball it. Selecting those 4, bring them together. Making sure it doesn't cut into the wheel. This one has to move over a little. Oh, that's definitely in the wheel. I'm going to select this and move it over. Even though we're not driving this, it's just a model, still has to look like it could function.